No, no, I get up. No, 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 I get up. No, no, can't deny it. No, no, I get up. No, 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 I get up.
Do you know abundance is our birthright? Yes, my dear friends, abundance is our birthright. Everywhere you see abundance all around us. You see the water behind me, that's abundance. You see the sky above us, that's abundance. You see abundance all across us. You and I have the ability to create an abundance in our life. We come in this universe with nothing, we leave this universe with nothing. A wise man very rightly said that you come in this universe with no hair, no teeth, no money, and that's how you're going to leave this universe. But while you are here, you can create an abundance in your life. You and I have the ability to create an abundance in our life. You can have anything and everything you want in your life, but you have to earn it. Now you need to ask yourself, what do you mean by abundance? What is abundance for you? Now everybody will have different definitions of abundance in their life. You need to define yours. It all starts with your mind. The abundance that you want to create in your life, you have to first think in your mind. But what happens with us is that whatever we have right now, we let it control whatever we are going to have in our future. We let our circumstances control us, we let our friends control us, we let our bosses control us, we let all the other things in the environment control us. So if you are not happy with the kind of life you are living, start all over again. Think what you need in your life. Think what is abundance in your life, and you have the potential, you have the ability to create that abundance in your life. If life is not going the way you want it, you're going to tell to yourself, I am going to start right now. Just sit calmly and write down all the things that you want in your life. You want abundance of money, you want abundance of friends, you want abundance of happiness, you want abundance of everything. And you have the ability to create that abundance in your life. You got to believe that you can have it. You got to understand that you can have abundance in your life, because we have that infinite potential through which we can create abundance in our life. We have this mind through which we can create an infinite abundance in our life. All the great leaders, all the successful people in this universe are in unanimous agreement that we become what we think about. So don't think limitation, think abundance, think plenty, have images of whatever you want in your life, and I tell you, our mind has that infinite potential to manifest that and get that thing as a reality in our life. So think abundance in your life. So if you are thinking abundance, if you are with that abundance frequency, you will attract such abundance in your life. So my dear friends, think abundance, think plenty. There is so much of abundance in this universe, there is no scarcity. So don't have a scarcity mindset, don't have a limitation mindset, have an abundance mindset and have that faith that whatever you want, the universe is ready to give it to you in abundance. Only thing is, you have to make that thing very clear in your mind. If your mind can conceive it, you can receive it in reality. That's abundance, and abundance is all around us.